Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert PNG to SVG. So let's get started the video. Open your web browser and search for PNG to SVG. Scroll down a bit and click on this pre-convert website's URL. You can choose your files from different options. Choose the one you prepare. Find and select the PNG file. Click on Open. Click on Convert. It may take some time. Once it's done converting, click on Download. So that's how you can turn your PNG file into SVG file. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.